February 22nd. That is this Saturday, depending on when this is posted.
Correct.
February 22nd. It's at the Tipsy Missy in Morrison. It is for the Brotherhood Against Bullying, and it's to raise awareness and raise money for adolescent suicide prevention. It's going to be a great cause. It's $10 to get in. Includes all you can eat pizza. Opens at 5 o'clock. They're expecting a ton of people to get there early and come have a good time. We play 6 to 10. If I know us, that means we play 6 to 11:30.
It's 7075 Morrison Road, out in Greenleaf.
That's right. Well,
drink specials,
in the
raffles.
village, in the town or township or whatever they call it of Morrison.
That three-road town.
Yeah, the zip code is Greenleaf.
Right, exactly.
Yeah. So, I talked to the owner today. He's projecting standing room only. So, and it's a hall. So
it's going to be a good time.
Should be
I think
good.
it's a great cause, man.
It's a great cause.
It's an awesome cause. We're all on the same page.
We're happy. We're happy to be a part of it. And,
absolutely.
And we played a cancer benefit earlier this year. That was awesome. It was so good.
Yeah. All of those benefits turn out.
It's been incredible. Your daughter played drums at that one.
Yeah.
Actually, the whole gig. And it was good, man. These kind of shows are going and moving the pool table aside and playing the standard 4-hour bar gig is cool. But it doesn't. Nothing holds a light to stuff like this,
Absolutely. It's something we can do as
give
artists.
Back. Yeah.
Even though we are what we are,
back.
Right. We can give people a couple hours of entertainment. I'm all about throwing that in for nothing.
Absolutely.
Because why not?
And with every time, I'm like, you sure you can't book anybody better?
Right.
It's always like that. Formerly the Ponderosa Bar and Grill, and I believe that's out in Morrison.
It's in Morrison. Technically, the address is Greenleaf, but the town is Morrison.
It's a little
There's a
little
cool
town.
little park there called Waymore Park.
Yeah.
Which is a little bit further down because it's in between Wayside and Morrison. This is the area I grew up in.
So
really?
I was born in Maribel.
Oh, no kidding.
So we went to Waymore Park for family reunions and get-togethers all the time.
I had a friend that took me there out of the blue
once
a
couple
couple
years
years
ago. Crayfish and that little creek.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool little place. Anyway, I digress.
So formerly the Ponderosa Bar, it's at 7075 Morrison Road, and it does say Greenleaf. It's now called the Tipsy Missy Bar. If you've been out there, it's a big hall.
It's called Tipsy Missy's.
Tipsy Missy's
Bar and Grill.
You said the Tipsy
No, you
Missy
said
Bar.
it's the Tipsy Missy
Tipsy
Bar.
Missy Bar.
Don't put the in there, and Charlie will read my ass.
The Tipsy Missy Bar, I think, is in just outside of Nashville because I looked this up the other day.
Tipsy Missy Bar and Grill.
Right.
That's what it says.
Tipsy Missy's.
That's what I said. Tipsy Missy's Bar and Grill. Tipsy Missy's Bar and Grill. Anyway,
we love him.
7075 Morrison Road, Greenleaf.
Boy.
The Tipsy Missy's Bar and Grill. We're going to be doing the Brotherhood Against Bullying. They're a motor club, right?
Yeah, so they're a riding club technically, but what they do is, and I'm going to have these guys on my show coming up later this week, but what they do is they try to protect kids that are getting bullied in school. And I mean like the hardcore bullying, and this benefit is to allow more resources to go to that and to really help build awareness for it and stop adolescent suicide. Which is kids who get to a point, obviously, where it's too hard. And listen, I was bullied in school,
is a shame,
so
though.
it sucks.
These are kids. They should never be getting to that point, you know?
Kids are assholes.
Kids are assholes. Don't be an asshole.
But at the same time, that stems from something. What does it stem from?
Yeah.
And that's really what this is about. It's trying to figure out root causes and then also protecting these kids who can't protect themselves.
And giving them resources to put the program together.
And listen, I mean, some of them are getting bullied at home. It goes deep. So really what the Brotherhood Against Bullying does, a bunch of bikers who got together for a common cause to help do this.
Are they associated with that
Bikers Against Child Abuse?
Yeah.
They are not, as far as I know, but it is kind of a similar thing. This is just.
That's why I have a friend that's involved with that, and they'll go to a court.
Guy I used to ride with ride.
That's some cool stuff, man. My buddy went with a bunch of just big, scary ass looking biker dudes to a court date.
The biggest teddy bears in the world.
Yeah, and they're
with
awesome.
This one kid who was getting abused at home and looked right at the dad while he's. It was pretty cool. So I'm all.
It is pretty funny. Like the most hardcore motherfuckers are right in on this. This is an annual thing, so they've been doing it a while. This time it's out at the Tipsy's here, and they've got bucket raffles. There's a grill raffle. They got drink specials, cash. Raffle tickets are available. We're going to be playing some music from 6 to 10.
The whole thing is what, 5 to midnight?
It's 5 to midnight, and it's a $10 cover, which helps go to everything, and it's an all-you-can-eat pizza buffet. So they're going to. He's if you've ever been out there,
pizza, you can't get all pizza for $10.
Yeah, so it's a good deal all the way around.